Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to sew the circle frock. This is the main fabric. From this I will make a bottom skirt for my circle frock. A circle skirt, as the name implies, simply a circle with a hole in the center for the waist. There will be math involved in order to draw that. First, measure the waist of a person you will be sewing for. My waistband circumference is 22 inches. I am trying to explain you very easy way. I know I'm not a maths teacher, I'm a stitching teacher, so I just explain you very simple and easy technique. This is circle and this is the center point of a circle. You can call it radius as well. The radius is the distance from the center to any point of the edge, circle edge. Circle outer side is called circumference and its pi value, and 3.14 is a pi value. This is another circle and I'm drawing the diameter, and diameter is always two times the radius. Now I multiply diameter from pi and got 6.28. This is the full length, full circle, 360 circle. That's why I multiply it. Then I divide my waist circumference from 6.28. Then I got 3.5. This is the radius of my waist. I know this is hard to understand, the radius, circumference, diameter and pi value for you. Just remember 6.28 whenever you are drafting or cutting your circle skirt. Just divide your waist circumference from 6.28 and then you get the correct value of your radius of your waist. So there is no need to worry about the all calculation. Forget that and just remember 6.28 numbers. Now it's time to cut the fabric. First fold the fabric 4 times. Fold it in half so that the shortest edges are even with each other. Then fold your fabric again so that the long edges are even. Choose the smooth surface for cutting. You can take someone help while you are cutting your fabric. Tag the pin in measuring tape and then tag in starting at the folded corner. Now this is the time to cut the radius of your waist. Measure down the number of inches, that is 3.5. Then rotate your measuring tape down the same distance and mark with chalk. Continuing doing this until you have created an arc across the top corner of your folded fabric. Total length of my bottom skirt is 19 inches, but I take 1 inch more for seams allowance. And now I am repeating the same process. Mark on 19 inches in order to make the perfect curve. Draw a guideline on marks in order to cut your bottom skirt easily. Once you have your 2 arcs completed, it's time to cut out your skirt. Simply next to the chalk trail you have just created, cut them out. Cut big arc first and then small arc. Now I'm opening it. This is the half circle. And now this is full circle, and the center point, you can call it radius of your waist. This is the bodice which I already prepared for my circle frock. All I have left to do, pinning a bodice with waist of my circle skirt in order to sew easily. It is done. Now I will sew it. It is completed. In order to embellish this frock, I made 2 flowers which I am going to paste on bodice. These flowers enhance the beauty of this circle frock. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.